Hello, everyone, and welcome to chemistry. My name is Mrs. Getting, and I am your student's chemistry teacher this year. I have loved chemistry ever since I took it in high school, and I just think it's such a fascinating subject, and I think it's going to be a really awesome year. So good stuff to come. Just a little bit about me. These are some pictures that were taken over the summer and a little while ago. I enjoy going to Leavenworth with my husband. It's a really fun place for us. So this is a picture of us in Leavenworth. These are my two little dogs. This is Bindi and Oscar, and they are enjoying the sunshine. That is my stepson. He is actually a little bit older than when this picture was taken. I just really like the picture, but he is in 8th grade now, which is just crazy to me. And then the elephant is something that I actually finished over the summer. It's an art project that I've been working on for quite some time, and it felt really nice to finally finish. So just a little bit about me. Okay, so what will this year be like for your student? So we are going to have this awesome opportunity where we can do labs and activities, which we really didn't get to do last year. So it's going to be so awesome being able to have this huge component to such a great class. So being able to do labs and activities. Of course, we are going to learn about the elements and the periodic table. We use that chemistry knowledge to help explain the world around us. And balancing equations is always fun, and understanding chemical reactions. So just a couple of the highlights of things that your student will experience throughout the year. And if you have something more that you would like to tell me about your student, I always appreciate getting more about them. So I have a Google form. If you're able to get in and fill it out, that would be fantastic. And then the best way to reach me is really through email. So cgutting@nsd.org is always great. So thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to a really awesome year. All right, take care.